Right, so we're back. A couple of days since we did the first bit. Tank's been draining. It's finished now, obviously. That is what's come out of it. No, it's not oil, it's fuel. So you might like to see that. It smells like pickled onions. I like pickled onions, but I'm not eating that. No, thank you. So we're just about to get the tank off. We've soaked all the bolts. You can see the wire in there and this. Number plate, man. Dead good. The exhaust's going to come off. We're going to take this tank out. So yeah. Alright, that's it then. Exhaust off, tanks off. Don't look too bad. We've cut the fuel pipe. There was a flexi connector that's not too flexible anymore. There's no visible damage to it, no holes, no repair jobs anywhere. You can see it's a bit wet around there, so I'm wondering if the seal's no good. That's it. Generally looking pretty good condition. I don't know what it's going to be like inside. Just out of that fuel or anything. We'll see if we can give it a clean out and see what happens, but other than that, pretty pleased with it. I don't know how much you'll be able to see underneath here. Probably nothing. Yeah. So it's quite dark in it. You can see the tube frame that everything's bolted to, the chassis. Generally pretty good under there. Been wax oiled and looked after apparently. All the wiring and everything hanging down. So yeah, that's it. That's tonight's task out of the way. Look at the size of the spacers. So next task is to get this engine out. Have a look what's going on in there. So we're going to put the wheels back on, turn it all around, get the engine hoist up, stick it that way, and turn it around, make sure we've got enough room. We'll struggle on that lip down there. You can see the fuel again that came out of that petrol tank. Yeah, fuel, not oil. Yeah. So that's it again for tonight. Yeah, quite pleased with how it's gone. Quite pleased how easy that tank came out. A couple of the bolts had seized on, but nothing too stupid. That's it. Ready for the next instalment. Alright, see you later.